everyone, welcome to the GATE Academy. So here we are again with the live quiz of engineering mathematics. So welcome to everyone and a very good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so come on everyone, please reply on the chat box. Okay, so here in this quiz, we will see the questions of statistics and probability. Okay, so till now you have seen a lot of quiz we have conducted, okay, on our YouTube platform. And now this is the time to start the next chapter, that is statistics and probability. So till now you might have seen that is linear algebra light quiz and calculus light quiz, okay, and some general aptitude also. Now it's time to start for the statistics and probability. Okay, so good afternoon, Gautam. Okay, so come on everyone, please join the quiz as soon as possible. Okay, so I will tell you the link, don't worry about that. So keep replying on the chat box. Okay. Okay, so I can see students are joining, still joining. Okay, so we'll wait for some time. Okay, so here before starting the live quiz, we are going to discuss some points that how to play the live quiz and what are the features of this live quiz. Okay, so some instructions that are must needed here, okay, that we are going to discuss. Okay, so the first thing is that how you are going to play the quiz. How you are going to play the quiz, that you need two screens. Okay, you need two screens. One can be on mobile phone and other can be on laptop, or you can use the split screen feature on mobile, or you can open the two tabs on your laptop. Okay, so half of the screen will be covered for YouTube video and half of the screen will be covered for your live quiz. Okay, so you need two screens because there is a link on the upper side. There is a link on the upper side, right? So there you have to go on that link and then you will be joined to the live quiz. So there the directly questions will be displayed to you. Okay, and there you will take the actions that correct answer is correct or not. Whatever the actions you do, you will do on that particular link. Okay, and then the response will be reflected here on the YouTube channel. Is it clear? YouTube video. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point. So how you are going to play the quiz? You need two screens. Okay, got it everyone? Can we go ahead? So the next is no negative points. Okay, so there is no negative points, means each and every question is having some points depending on the level of the questions. Okay, so all questions are not of same level. Simple questions are having low points, good questions are having more points. Okay, so there is no negative points. It means you have to attempt the question. At least you should attempt the question. Okay, it might be correct. If it is correct, you will be getting the points. Okay, I hope you are getting my point here. Okay, so keep replying on the chat box. I cannot see you guys on the chat. What happened, guys? I want the reply from everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys reply? Share the link here. Yeah, I will share the link, don't worry. Okay, and our team will share the link, don't worry about that. Okay, otherwise the link is shown in the red color on the upper side. You can see directly. Okay, bit.ly/tga013e. Simple, it is a simple. Okay, you have to just put this link on your browser. Okay, so hello everyone. Hello Avik. Okay, so there is no negative point. Next point is number of points or the question will be displayed along with the question. So as the question will be displayed, the type of the question will be shown there. Okay, is it MSQ or is it MCQ or is it NAT? Okay, so all type of questions I have kept. There are total 5 questions. Okay, so the points will be also displayed with it. Okay, so according to that you have to do. Okay, it's showing unknown error occurred. Okay, let me check the issue. Okay, let me check the issue. Is it everyone is facing this error? And the next point is tougher the question, more the points. Okay, this is the best feature of this quiz, that as fast as you answer, you are going to get more points. Okay, so it is calculated in such a manner that maximum point you will be getting, if you reply in 1 or 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, and that is not that is not likely to happen. Okay, that is why getting full points is difficult to get, but you might be getting some points if you are replying correct answer. Is it clear? So are you guys able to join the quiz? How many of you are facing the error? I have seen 4 of the students have joined the link, right? I can see here. See here, everyone, please look at this red link. Okay, here I can tell you this is the link. Go to join the live quiz. Go to bit.ly/tga013e. This is the link you have to use to join the quiz. Okay, is it clear? Share the link here. Okay, I'm sending the link. Okay, so 013E. So I have shared the link. You can directly copy it. Okay, so you have to use two screen. Either you can use the split screen feature on your mobile, or you can use laptop and mobile, or you can use only laptop with your multitasking feature. Okay, so you can open, see the link has been shared by the team also, the operation team also. Okay, I hope you are getting the link. Please quickly join, everyone. I can see only 7 students have joined the link quiz till now. 9, 10. Okay, so I can see there are 17 live watching students, and only 11 students, 10 students have joined it. Okay, so come on, everyone, join the quiz. Okay, now we are going to move ahead and we'll be joining the quiz. Okay, I will start the quiz. As we see, there are 2 players who have joined. Okay, so come on, everyone. You can join. See here, your names are displayed. Okay, welcome, everyone, welcome. I can see here a lot of students are coming one by one. 4 players. Okay, come on, everyone. So it's going to be a fun. Okay, so there is a leaderboard also. So after each and every question, you are going to see that where you are lying. Okay, what is your rank and where you are lying. Okay, so yeah, come on, everyone. 8 players have joined. I can see. Okay, come on. So 13 are watching and only 8 players have joined. Please, students, everyone has to join. Okay, if someone is facing the problem in the quiz, then you can please reply on the chat box. Yeah, 10 players. Come on, very good. Pulak, you have to use this link on the upper side. This red color link is there. You have to type this link on the browser and the quiz will be joined. Okay, you can join the quiz by that. Okay, so what happened? Some of the players are leaving the quiz and some are joining. What is this happening? Okay, so come on, everyone, join the quiz. I'm going to start the quiz in next 1 minute. Okay, so please, everyone, join it quickly. Okay, so 30 seconds. I'm going to start the quiz. Come on, everyone. Ambati, you can join the link. Okay, 12 players have joined. Very good. Okay, so 12 watching and 12 players have joined. I'm going to start the quiz. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 13 players joined. Very good. So I can see students are still joining. So you have to use this link. Okay, again, I'm repeating, those who have not joined or facing any issue, you can join the link using this link bit.ly/TGA013E. Okay, so I'm going to start the quiz. Okay, so this is the first question that is displaying on your screen. Those who have joined the quiz, this is the first question. Wait. Just wait, guys. Okay, so there was some issue. Now it's fine. Okay. Okay, so 13 players have joined. Now I'm going to start the quiz. Okay. So this is the question number 1. So this is the question number 1. Students, start solving the question. All the best. This is very easy question. This is the lollipop question. Okay. So this is the start of the quiz. That is why I kept this question simple. So you can solve it and answer it as quick as possible. Okay. Everyone has to respond. So 1 minute is left. Come on, guys. This is the first question of the quiz. I want everyone to answer this because this is a simple question of the probability. Okay. So this is something about the boys and the girls, and there are cat eyes of some students. Okay. So you have to read it carefully, and I hope that you will be able to answer it. Okay. So come on, everyone. I want the response from everyone. Okay, 15 seconds are left, almost 10 seconds. And this is the time going to over. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So only one student has answered it correctly. And what about others? Those who have not responded, what happened, guys? Why you are not responding it? There are 17, almost 17 students, only one has responded. Okay, so is there any issue going on? Okay, so only one student has done it correctly. Let us see on the leaderboard. It is showing now. Okay, so Mohit Paul has done it correctly. Congratulations, you got 57 points. This question was of, I think, 100 points. So you almost got 57 points. Okay, so you solved it within the time limit. Okay. Options are not shown. Options were in the lower part. Okay. In the bottom side, you can see the options. It's not like A, B, C, D. The options were directly on the bottom side, I think, right? It showed already responded. Okay, let us see. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Now, if you are facing any issue, let me know on the chat box. Okay. So it is a NAT type question, numerical type question. So you have to type numerically. Okay. So here, let me tell you can give the answer up to 2 decimal places. Okay. Up to 2 decimal places you can answer. Okay. So this is the question. This is a mathematical question. Okay. You should know what are the types of events. Then only you will be able to answer it. Okay. Fine. So come on, everyone. Give response. So are you able to do it now? Okay. So 48 seconds left. Is this question visible? It is NAT question. You have to type the answer. Okay. You have to type the answer. 5 students have responded. So last 5 seconds, guys. Okay. I hope you have answered it. So time is up. Okay. So someone has answered. Someone has not other answers. Okay. So 8 of the students have given some other answers. Okay. The correct answer is 0.84, and I will also accept those who have answered 0.8 because it was not accurately written over there. Okay. So this will also be accepted. Okay. So 0.8 will be accepted. So see, like Pulak has answered like 0.84. Okay. So this will also be accepted. Okay. So now 28.5% student has answered. 4 of them are correct. Okay. So this is the leaderboard now. Let us see. Okay, so Dhwani Upadhyay is on the top with 95 points. Okay, very good. All the best and congratulations. Okay, so Dhwani, congratulations. Gautam is also on the second number, that is with the 65 points. Okay, so he did it correctly. And Rohit is also with the 64 points. Okay, on the third number. Pullak Sardar is also with the 63 points. So you are all close. There is no big difference. Okay, so competition is still there. Okay, so Mohit Paul is also there with the 57 points. Okay, now let us see and jump to the next question. There are total 18 players. Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't worry who have not answered the first question or the second question, because the feature of this quiz is like that. If you answer any question at a time and correctly, you will directly jump to the top on the leaderboard. Okay, because you are going to get a lot of points from there. Okay, so any question can be from your zone. You can answer it quickly and you can get the points because still the competition is going on. Okay, so there are 3 questions left. Let us see what is going to happen. So all the best, all of you. Okay, so this is the question number 3 that is going to be displayed on your screen. Okay, so options are given. This is multiple select question, means more than one option is correct and sufficient time is given. You can go by option wise, you can solve it. Okay. Question is not there. Yeah, it is there. So minimum point you can get is 90 points from here. Okay, take full time, don't worry, and you can solve it. Okay, so some of the options are given, and this is very common case of tossing of two fair dice. Okay, of tossing a two fair dice. It is very common case. Okay, in case of probability. So if you have studied probability or basics of probability, this is the case you can solve here. Okay, so I hope many of you have answered it. Let us see. Okay, so 1 minute 40 seconds are left. One minute 20 seconds left. One minute left. Okay, so sufficient time is given. You can solve it. Okay, don't worry, guys. "45 seconds. 9 of the students have responded. Let us see. 40 seconds are left. You might be thinking that question is lengthy. So it is not. Okay, so there is a way of solving such kind of questions. It is basic question. So 25 seconds are left. "18 seconds. Last 5 seconds. And the time is going to over. Time is up. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so 5 of the students has responded on the incorrect option. So there are 3 correct options. So 7 of the students had done it correctly, I can say, because 8 of the students had responded this, 10 of them is this, and 7 of them is this. Okay, so at least 7 of the students have done it correctly. Let us see the leaderboard, how it is going to change. Okay, so here is the leaderboard. So Rohit is on the top with 179 points. Very good. Congratulations. Harsha is now here on the second number. Okay, Dhwani Upadhyay jumped from first place to fourth place with the 94 points. Okay, no problem. And Rohit, there are 2 Rohit. Okay, so again the Rohit is on the third number with 106 points. So he so this plus this points are showing that you scored in this question how much score or how much points you scored. Okay, so in this question maximum point has been scored by Harsha. Okay, so that is very good. That is very good. Okay, okay, so now let us move ahead. So here there are some other students are also there. Okay, so I would like to say that those who are not able to answer it, don't worry, guys. Okay, you are still having the chance because the competition is also there. Okay, it might be possible that in next question some of these students are not able to do it correctly and you did it correctly, so you will directly jump to the first 5 position. Okay, so it is easily possible. Don't worry about that. So everyone, those who are not able to solve it, don't worry. Okay, I have kept some simple questions also, but the next question is the trickier one, and then after that it is going to be easy question. Okay, so let us move ahead. All the best, guys, and don't get demotivated. Okay, so here is the question number 4 in front of your screen. So 3 minutes are there. So minimum points are 125. So I hope the question is properly visible to you guys. Okay. So options are not visible properly. Some of you are saying, Om Hajare is saying, how is it possible? Options are not visible. It is visible. It is clearly visible. Options are clearly visible, guys. Okay. You can see the options are given here. It is properly visible. Okay. It's better to use the live quiz tab on laptop. Okay. It's better to use the live quiz tab on laptop. Options are not visible. So time is going to over, guys. 1 minute 40 seconds are left. 14 seconds are left. Options are visible. 1 minute left. 9 of the students have responded. 11 students have responded. 50 seconds are left. So this is a question about standard normal distribution. So those who have covered this particular part of random variables of normal distribution, he might be able to solve this question very easily. So this is the trickiest question of the quiz. Otherwise, all the questions are of moderate level. Okay. Okay. So last 5 seconds are left. So everyone has answered. Very good. Very good to see that everyone has answered. And many of you have answered. I think 5 of you have answered it correctly. It's good to see that more number are having the correct answers. Okay. So 4 students have answered it correctly. First and second. And third option has only corrected by 2 students. Okay. Answered by 2 students. Okay. So it's a correct answer is D, guys. And we will see the solutions also. We are going to see the solutions also after this completion of the quiz. So stay there and you will get the solutions also. So you will get the explanations also. Okay. I hope. So here is the leaderboard again. So Rohit is on the top. Harsha is again on the second number. Congratulations, Pulak, coming on the third number. Okay. So the maximum point who scored in this question is 167. That is scored by Rohit. And the maximum second number, that is 165 points, has been scored by Harsha. Okay, so that is very good, Pulak. That is 205 with the 205 points. Okay, Om is also there with 165 points. So he was the first. It was his first question to he did it correctly and he got 165 points directly from 0 points. Okay, so and he got the 4th position. So you can see how quickly changes as you answer it correctly, how quickly the point the table changes, the leaderboard changes. Okay, see here, Sudagar has also did it correctly. The only answer he did it this, and he got 160 points because this question was having a lot of points, है ना? And that is why he got it. Okay, so very good, 5th position. So Rohit got 106 position, and now none of you have answered this question correctly. So Dhwani got on the 7th position. Okay, so no, don't worry. Okay, you can come back. Still, you can come back. Okay, so I'm moving to the next question, guys. Relax, and we will move to the next question. Okay, take a deep breath. And here is the question number 5. This is the last question, and this is the easy question. I hope the options and the question is visible to you. One minute, 10 seconds left. So this question, let me give you the hint. This question belongs to binomial distribution. Okay, that you can solve it directly from there also, or you can do some manual methods also, conventional ways also to solve this question. 30 seconds are left. Okay. So guys, after this, we are going to see the solutions also. We are going to see short tricks also, how to solve such questions. Okay. So 15 seconds left. 7 of the students have responded. What about others? I can see that not all of you are responding. I saw that there are 21 players. Okay. So here the time is up. And maximum of you have answered it, but total I can see only 11 students has responded. What about others? There are 21 participants in the quiz. Why are you guys not replying? Okay, at least you can answer any of them by just seeing the options, or if you feel any one of them can be correct, at least you can answer it, because there is no negative points. Okay, now let us see how leaderboard is going to change and who has done top. Okay, now here the first is Rohit. Congratulations to you. And Pulak, very good job. Pulak, very good job. You were not in the top 3, and now you are in the second position. You are in the second position. Harsha, very good job. You were in the first, now you are in the third. No problem, because you were not able to answer this question. Okay, so Pulak was able to answer this question. He got 106 point, and he is in the second position. And this is how it changes. This is how it changes. So only single question can change the leaderboard. Okay, so if you have done it correctly, you can change it. So Om, see, he is in the 5th position. He has only done correct one question, and then he is on the 5th position. So Gautam, he scored 95 points in this particular question, but he was not he did not had that much point earlier, so he was not on the top 3 point list. Okay, so here he is in the 6th position. Okay, so this is the leaderboard, guys. Let me scroll here. After that, Jyoti has also scored in this question with 129 points. Very good. Heli is also Hali has also scored 124 point in this question, the last question, 5th question. Very good job. Okay, so and those who have not done it correctly or got 0 points, don't worry guys. Okay, we will be there with such quizzes, so you will be able to practice more such kind of things. Okay, it might be possible the concept was not known to you, or it might be possible that you were not able to solve it. Okay, so here the time is over. Now we are going to see the solution part. Okay, now we are going to see the solution part. Okay, so everyone get ready for the solutions. Okay. Okay, so here is the solutions of all the questions. Let us see. Okay, one by one we will have a quick view of the solutions. Okay, so this was the first question. This was very basic question, and some of you told that the options are not visible. I don't know what was the problem there. Okay, I will check it. If the options were not visible, then we can remove this. Okay, so this is the solution. Correct answer was B. So what we did, if we see the question, there are 20 boys and 20 girls. Okay, and out of these, half of the boys and half of the girls are having cat eyes. Okay, so if one student is selected from the class, the probability that either the student is a boy or has cat eyes is okay. So what we have done, we have assumed the events. So let A be the event that student is a boy, let B be the event that student has a cat eyes. Then probability of A is 1 by 2, probability of B is 1 by 2, and probability of A intersection B means the students who are boy and having cat eyes are only 10 students, because half of the boys are having cat eyes. So that is 1 by 4. Now we have to find probability of A union B, because either and or was used here there. So here directly we can calculate it and we can get 3 by 4 was the answer. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Consider 3 events. Okay, consider 3 events A, B, and C. If A and B are independent events and A and C are mutually exclusive events, the probability P of A, P of B, and P of C are equal. Okay, their probabilities are equal. Their probabilities are equal. Okay. Probability of C given B is 0.5. So this is the conditional probability. Then we have to find probability of A union B union C. Okay. We know that what is the formula of it. That is what we are going to use here. So first we will use the conditional probability. From here we are going to get probability of C intersection B, because both of them were given to us. So we got 0.2 as a probability of B intersection C. Now probability of A union B union C is having this formula. Now we know that here each and every term is known to us, but probability of A intersection B intersection C is not known to us. But we can directly say that if A and C cannot occur simultaneously, then all the 3 of them also cannot occur simultaneously. So this is also 0. Okay, so this is what we get at the end, and the answer is 0.84. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, so this is the question number 2. This is the question number 3. Here 2 different colored fair dice are thrown at a time. Then which of the following statement is or correct? Now here we can see in the options we are talking about the sum of the faces. In 2 of the options we are talking about sum of the faces. So we know that for summation, this is the table that is directly we can use. Okay, so first row is telling us about the summations. So what are the possible summations that can happen when we throw 2 dice? Either sum can be 2, either the sum can be 3, and like that up to maximum summation that we can get is 12. Now number of cases. So getting summation 2 is only having one case, 1, 1. Getting summation 3 is only having 2 cases, that is 2, 1 and 1, 1. Like this you can see that it is going to be increased by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for getting summation 7, there are 6 cases. Then after that, again, it goes reduced by 1. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 till like that. So if you remember this table, the question is very easy then. So option 1 is saying that sum is odd. Sum is odd. So what are the odd summation that we are going to get? 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Okay, so sum is 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 or 11. So we get 2 plus 4 plus, because these are the cases. Okay, so 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 by 36 is 1 by 2. Now next is option B. Probability at least one phase is odd is equal to 1 minus probability of all phases are even. We can find out because all phases are even is having less number of cases. So it will be easy for us to count. All phases are even. What are the cases? 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 6, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. There are total 9 cases where all the phases are even. 1 minus 9 by 36 is 27 by 36. Probability that sum is 5. Now probability that sum is 5 is nothing. Here you can see that getting summation 5, there are 4 cases. So probability of sum is 5 is 4 by 36, that is 1 by 9. Now probability that neither of the phase is 1. Okay, so it is nothing but 25 by 36. Neither of the face is 1. Now you can find out that how many faces are having 1. So you will see that there are 11 faces, even 11 cases where the face, one of the face is 1. Okay. So neither of the face is 1 means 36 minus 11, that is 25. So 25 by 36 is the answer. Directly we can find it out. So A, C, and D are correct. Now let us move to the next question. This was very important, right? So given two independent random variables with the normal distribution. Now let X is given as 1, 1. So mean is 1 and standard deviation is 1. So we had to find probability of X plus 0.5 Y less than equal to 5. Okay. So here, this was the given data to us. Mu X is equal to 1 and sigma X is equal to 1. Mu Y is equal to 2 and sigma Y is equal to 2. That is the data given to us. Let us assume that X plus 0.5 into Y is R. Then we can find out by using the properties of expectations and variance, we can find out mu R, that is mu X plus 0.5 mu Y, that is 1 plus 0.5 into 2, that is 2. And VR is equal to Vx plus 0.5 whole square into V of Y. So we are going to get sigma R. We know that sigma R is nothing but square root of V, variance. So it is nothing but square root of 2. Now we have to find out the probability of R being less than 5. That is nothing but we will convert it into standard normal distribution. That is R minus mu R divided by sigma R. Mu R and sigma R are already calculated. So 3 by square root 2 is the answer. Z is less than equal to 3 by root 2. That is what is the correct answer. That is option D. Now question number 5. The probability that a man can hit a target is 3 by 4. He tries 5 times. The probability that he hits the target at least 3 times. Okay, so this was the clear cut the question of binomial distribution. But if you see the options, all the options are having different denominator. Now it is 3 by 4. You can see that if you are doing it 5 times, so it should be 4 to the power 5, something like that in the denominator. So here, if you see, this is what we can do. Let X be the random variable, that number of times a man hits the target. Then we can directly find here. Okay. Okay, so using binomial distribution, probability of X is equal to R. We know that this is nothing but NCR, P to the power R into Q to the power N minus R. So where P is equal to 0.75 and Q is equal to 0.25, that is probability of success and failure. N is 5, that is 5 number of trials. And this is what we can do. Okay, 1 minus all these values we will substitute and we are going to get it like this. Okay, so I already told you 4 to the power 5, if you measure, you are going to get 512. And that is what you can directly get from options also. Okay, so this question can be solved thoroughly also, or you can use the options also to get your correct answer. Okay, so this is how we can proceed here. I hope you are getting the point. Okay. So here is the end of this piece, and I hope all the explanation is clear to you. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Okay, and we'll meet in the next quiz, that is on 4th of July. Okay, of the same chapter, that is statistics and probability. Please don't forget to like the video and share with your friends so they can also get some good questions and their solutions. Okay, and those who are there who are watching the recording, you can go to the quiz as it is. Okay, you can allot the time and you can solve it as it is. Don't wait for the solution directly. You can do it by your own also as a quiz. Okay, those who are watching the recording. So thank you very much, guys. So I'm going to end the session. Bye bye and all the best.